Excel has a few different ways to gamble with numbers depending on whether you want decimals, whole numbers, or a specific list of results. So if you just need a quick random decimal number between 0 and 1, then you need to use this formula. Put the equal sign, type RAND, open the bracket, close the bracket, hit enter. Drag it. So this requires no arguments inside the parentheses. So the number will be look like 0.755752. It is between 0 and 1. If you want a whole number between two specific values, for example between 1 and 100, this is the most popular random number formula. For this you need to put the equal sign, type RAND between, open the bracket, type the starting number, comma, space, and put the number 100 ending numbers. Close the bracket, hit enter. And now drag it. You will see the random numbers between 1 and 100. If you are using a modern version of Excel, so you need to use this formula, put the equal sign, type RANDARRAY, open the bracket, and the number of rows which you want to subtract the formula, for example 10 rows, comma, and number of columns, for example 3, comma, and the minimum number for 1, and the maximum number is 50, comma, and type the integer that is true. Close the bracket, hit enter. Excel instantly filled 10 rows and 3 columns with whole numbers between 1 to 50. So if you want to enter the random numbers with no repeats, so use this formula, put the equal sign, type sort by, open the bracket, type sequence function, open the bracket, put the number 100, close the bracket, comma, space, RANDARRAY, open the bracket, 100, close the bracket, and close the bracket to complete the formula. Excel will instantly insert a perfectly shuffled list of 1 to 100 with 0 duplicates. So if you hate formulas and just want a static list that never changes, so type any two number in two cells, for example 2, 8. Now highlight them and drag them. This is not purely random, but it's the fastest way to generate sequence without a formula. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.